In this video, you'll learn how to generate personalized answers on Perplexity AI. By following these steps, you will set your preferences to enhance the relevance of the responses you receive. This process will allow your queries to be tailored to your interests and needs. Start by opening Perplexity AI in your web browser. Once the page loads, look for the settings icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon typically resembles a gear or a wrench. Clicking on this icon will take you to the settings menu where you can adjust your preferences After accessing the settings menu, search for the section labeled Personalization or Profile Preferences. This area is crucial as it allows you to customize how Perplexity responds to your queries. Once you locate this section, you will see various options available for personalization. Next, set your preferences according to your interests. You will find options to select topics you're interested in, such as technology, finance, or health. Choose the topics that resonate with you by clicking on the appropriate checkboxes or drop-down menus. This selection will help Perplexity deliver more relevant information. Then specify your preferred language for answers. This ensures that the responses are provided in a language you're comfortable with. Depending on your needs, you can select from various languages available in the drop-down menu. After that, you will have the option to choose the style of responses you prefer, whether you want them to be brief, detailed, casual, or formal. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, locate the Save button to confirm your settings. Clicking this button will ensure your preferences are applied. After saving, return to the main interface where you can now enter your queries into the search box. Perplexity will tailor its responses based on the preferences you have just set. For even greater personalization, consider including context in your query. For instance, you might say, I am a software developer. Explain the latest AI tools for my workflow. This additional information will help Perplexity provide responses that are more aligned with your specific situation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial